And we're going to rescale for we need to focus on. We go to File, File, New, and then we're going to go here and make sure it's on pixels, 24 by 24 and 300, okay, DPI, very important. Then we hit create. So here you have it, the size. The secret to this is that you have to bring the image in to the canvas, okay? Okay, so you bring the image in. Now, once the image comes in, you have to crop it. So you click on the crop tool, and we're gonna pull. You just gotta write. Let's cancel. Nope. Let's cancel that. Yes, cancel. So what you want to do is right click. See how it says a smart object? You right click by holding down Control, and then you do rasterize the layer. So now you can edit it. So if I go here now, okay, then I just drag this up. Okay, so now this side is 24, this side is small. As long as one side is longer, it's good. So now we do this. File, export. Before we do it, let's see the size. If I look closely, this image size is 9 megapixels, which is 24 by 1376, right? So now we just go to File, Export as a PNG, and give it a name, whatever you want to call it, and export. And there you have it. That's how you would do the image. And then you just go ahead. And that's how you would do your
Where do I
sizes.
put the number I want?